How many of you have a sticky note somewhere on your machine indicating which needle you put in the machine? Maybe you have some type of needle organization or something that indicates what that needle is and what type and what size. Do you know the Bernina 880 has a built-in needle reminder or needle memory? Now it can't sense which needle's in it. You have to actually tell it. Plus, if you change the needle, you need to tell it which needle you change to. So let me show you where we do this particular feature. On the side where it says 9 millimeters and has a picture of a throat plate, this is where you will find where you can set the machine up for different sizes of double needles, triple needles, wing needles, and then also the different throat plates. So with this machine, for example, you have your 9 millimeter throat plate that you sew with and the 0 millimeter throat plate, which you embroider or free motion quilt with. So you can go in and do that. But look over here, a little picture, well, I love it, with the little bow wrapped around the needle and a little blue eye for information. So in here are a whole list of all the needles that are available, as in styles. So you have universal needles and stretch needles and leather and so forth. The last needle I had in was a Microtex size 70 needle. So let's say I am switching to a jeans needle size 100 and X out of that. So as I'm sewing and I'm ready to, or I can't remember what needle was in, and I've turned my machine on this morning and I can't remember, just touch that 9 millimeter, touch the little needle minder, and it shows me that last needle I put in was the jeans size 100. Now, let's say I'm switching to something new, some Lycra, so I'm going to put a stretch needle size 90 in. Maybe I'm working on some Lycra or maybe even some Minky. So I'm going to change and put a different needle in. Once again, that is the needle that will be reminded that is in the machine. So no more sticky notes. We do it all on machine these days. And as soon as you get used to changing your needle in here, you will find it is the most helpful tool that Bernina has added to their machines.